Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlight, brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about O, the hotkey for reference blocks. As you can see here in Exactly 28, at the very top, I have reference block, or the hotkey is O. So if I were to hit O on my keyboard, it's going to load my cursor with the crosshairs in this blue box. Now, if I single click, just one time click with the left, nothing happens. It's not going to apply a block to my entire area in the room 1 floor. But if I hit O again, loads up my cursor, and I click and hold and drag, I can create a block as big as I want. And then let's say I want to make this a 4 by 6 block. Boom, now I have a block that I can reference, and we have exact text videos on reference blocks variables that you can reference to see how to use the variables associated with blocks. So this has been another Hotkey Highlight. Hit that O key so you can load your cursor with a block, click, drag, and hold, and you can build a block as big as you like in any area that you'd like. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.